Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. For people interested in getting involved with ipython, check out the examples or rather check out the notebooks in the examples directory, and you will find, I've already loaded a few of them. They are written apparently for Python 2, so expect some things not to work exactly. For example, I just fixed this one. Before it read with no parens. Shift enter to run it, and you'll see the print error here. There apparently will be line or rather number indentations in ipython 13.1 and 14. It is not in 13, so line numbers don't appear yet. You have to get the new version to do that. So let's wrap this with parens to make it work. Shift enter, and there's the answer. So user interface, main editing area. This is worth reading. The interface is fairly straightforward. There is no undo, so don't get too excited by that. It's worth reading this page right at the bottom. Tab completion. Tab completion is very cool. So we'll follow the instructions, which really there should be more like walkthroughs like this. So let's hit the tab key and show what happens. Function signature. You've invoked a tooltip. Yes, thank you. You now expand by hitting tab a second time. This is really nice. Tooltip is smart. You don't always press the tab key to invoke it. Back to the next lesson. Sometimes you need that doesn't make sense. Wow, this is bad English. Alright, so let's hit tab again. Type more text. Okay, text 7. And that doesn't do anything, so 125.3. Now hit the tab key. I'm hitting the tab key, and nothing else is happening. So shift enter to see if it does something. Not much, but that was useful. Allows you to change the behavior of the tooltip. First tab press, you get a classical tooltip. Second tab, tooltip grow vertically and allows you. This needs some editing in here. If you want to open one manually, open one what? Open one what? Alright, so I'm going to hit the shift enter. Alright, so this is this connect info, paste it above JSON into a file and connect with. Alright, now this would be a very good demo if it was written. It's not. Kernel's raw input and debug. Alright, plotting support. Yeah, we got this. Welcome to iPylab, and here is one of the random. So if I do it again, it should give me a new plot, random one. Yep. So let's whack this out to. I wonder if it'll take a float. Yep, it takes a float. So that's the plot. That's pretty darn cool. I want to try Pygame to see if we can play Pygame in here. Did not include read-only UI, so it does not work well. Code number is still protected from unauthorized access, but the UI is not appropriately restricted. Okay, so that is a quick run through of the 01 notebook introduction. Keep in mind it's written for Python 2, and that there are some things that may or may not work, and you might need to edit the English. Rather, the text is rather yeah, it needs some love. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.